Today I'm going to show you how to use Mapsscraper last update. Okay. First, you need to click to this button at Chrome and install the last update. After that, you have to go to extension page and make sure you enable delivery mode. Then you have to drag and drop the file. That's it. And click on this pin. You have to log into the extension first. I'm already logged in. So go to open Google Maps. For example, I want to scrap like media agency in London. Click start scrapping. Add scrap Google Maps with emails and social media links. Click start only one time. First, make sure you don't have any tabs open. Only one tab is enough. But don't open too many tabs. That's very important. And second thing, you have to wait until you get all the results. Okay, that's very important. Some people they stop the tool before they get because he's not scraping any email. It's not even started. He's not even started finishing Google Map listing. So you have to wait until he finishes scraping Google Maps, and then he will start scraping emails from Google Maps. You have to go through all the websites and scrap their emails and social media and all information. Sometimes some people they have slow connection. If you have slow connection, you can edit the settings. Now he finished scrolling. He starts scrapping emails. As you can see, he scrapped the first result, second result. As you can see, this result, three results I have it done now. You have to wait until you get all the results. It's around 120 results maximum. That's what's give you Google Map. I hope you understand this video. Like it's very clear. You have to wait until you get the result. Don't do nothing. Now I have like 20 results. I'm waiting for more results. As you can see, this result I have all social media links: YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and emails. I'm waiting for the result. Right now I have 40 results. If you want to make it faster, you can make it faster. I give you this option that you click in the system and you click here, like you make it 2000. But you will have less accurate data if you make it faster. That's the only problem. And you click save. Now, as you can see, I get all the data I need. It's like around 120 results. You can see all the social media links, and you can click save. Save it as an Excel file, any type of file you want. Make sure you save the data before you start again, or you lose your data. That's very important. And second thing is, if you have a slow connection, for example, like scrolling is very slow, or sometimes it's stuck at scrolling, it's not able to scroll. You get this loading thing. What you have to do is go to settings and change the scrolling speed to 3000. It's safe. You'll never stuck again, and you will have a good experience. That's if you have a very bad connection. You know, that's how you fix it. And see you later, guys.